My name is Troy Wong. I am the co-founder and chief financial officer of Neptune Technologies Corp. We went public on January 19th of 2018, raising gross proceeds of 23.2 million Canadian dollars, which was quite a rapid go public transaction because we actually incorporated the company on October 31st of 2018. When Neptune went public, we achieved a few milestones in public market history that I'm quite proud of as a cryptocurrency and blockchain entrepreneur. The first thing is we're actually the world's first public masternode company. And so our entire business is operating masternode assets. A masternode effectively is a portion or a number of digital currency tokens that are collateralized on the blockchain and linked to a node, which is the decentralized ledger that's allowed a blockchain to exist. And because I'm a trusted actor and I've actually linked tokens onto the blockchain, it allows for advanced functionality on a blockchain that wouldn't be able to exist. So with respect to the Dash blockchain, it allows for instantly sending payments. So I can log into my Dash wallet and I can send instantly payments from me to you. That's the first thing. The second thing the masternodes allow for, it's called privately sending transactions. Its ability to increase fungibility in the blockchain so you can actually trace the full transaction history of a particular coin all the way through the blockchain. What's really great about blockchains is that all the information is public, but sometimes not everyone wants the ability for, like, if I get a token, for us to be able to actually trace that all the way back. And so masternodes actually allows for that feature to be taken away. So it increased privacy features. And the last and most important issue that masternodes help solve is governance. So the Dash blockchain has a market cap of $3.2 billion, and they have a masternode model where 10% of the block reward that usually goes to miners under Bitcoin actually goes to what's called the Dash DAO Foundation. And what that means is it's a portion of the funds that actually set aside specifically for, I would say, intangible development-related activities. So hiring developers, promotions, all that sort of thing. Previously under Bitcoin, all Bitcoin-related development is actually done on a volunteer basis. So no one's actually getting paid. So the argument is, how can you build a Google-type business or blockchain without actually having to pay anyone? So Dash has a very, very unique masternode model where it allows for these masternodes to obtain consensus scaling rules, as well as deploy these funds in like a very, very efficient manner. So we're a very, very simple business. We're structured kind of like an ETF, where we basically just own lots of digital currency, we own lots of tokens, and we're earning slightly more tokens each month, which we think is a really, really great, simple, easy to understand business model. If you want cryptocurrency exposure, you invest in our company, and our balance sheet and cash flow is directly impacted by the underlying token price. A few weeks ago, we made a really, really exciting announcement that we've decided to incubate a subsidiary called Neptune Stake. One interesting thing with us is that the majority of our assets are actually held in the Dash digital currency token. What we've done is we found a very creative way to own a diversified basket of cryptocurrencies that would be rebalancing every 30 days because we can stake them. So what we've done is we've looked at the top 10 blockchains and realized that we can actually own 8 of them because they actually allow for staking on the blockchain to earn income. And so right now with Neptune Stake, we're building out that backend architecture required to custody and stake these coins and earn income over time.
How has it defined the price of Dash over the last month? Did the return on Dash masternodes?
Well, effectively, most of our assets are actually held in digital currency tokens, so our assets reflect the underlying. And so by definition, our balance sheet has shrunken, unfortunately, as a result of the decline. But it's a highly volatile asset class, but you also have high variability of returns as well.